Today we are exploring the Les Miller Jr. All People's Community Park and Life Center located at 6105 East Sly Avenue, Tampa, Florida. We originally visited this park to attend the Skate Florida 2025 workshop being held here. It was during the middle of summer, and we didn't bring any supplies with us and didn't plan to originally film here, but it was such a nice park that we figured why not show it to you guys. The main reason for our trip starts in the rec center. It has a gym, a group fitness area, and a beautiful large gymnasium. It also has plenty of locker rooms and bathrooms here too. This rec center is the only place that holds the only county-run Special Olympics team here. I could definitely say this is a special place.
Also, if you didn't know already, if you have any suggestions for future videos, please leave in the comment section and please be nice.
Thanks, Zella. They hold lots of events here like wheelchair basketball and roller skating lessons. The roller skating lessons are hosted by the Learn to Skate Academy that skates here. The Learn to Skate Academy also helped set up this event and used top coaches from around Florida to teach it. Thank you, Learn to Skate Academy. I was told by the skaters that this floor was really smooth. We'll see you guys later this season. If you're interested in taking lessons, I left the link to Learn to Skate Academy in the description. While waiting for the skating workshop to finish up, Zell and I decided to explore the 10,000 square foot playground. The playground is fenced in all the way around, has artificial turf, and is shaded. There are all kinds of things to climb and play on here. There's even a few swings and of course slides. There's even some musical elements thrown in there just to make it extra fun. Even though it was 100 degrees outside that day, it didn't feel quite like that with all the adequate shade that was in the playground. There's also a Sprayground here. We weren't prepared to play and explore this park, but it did look fun. This park also has lots of covered picnic shelters, benches, and picnic tables. Plenty of places to have lunch and enjoy this awesome playground. So Zella, did you get out of the car for this park?
Yeah.
Did you have a good time?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
The swings.
Did you enjoy playing on the playground? Also, the whole playground?
Yeah.
I could tell you never left the whole time. There's also a half-a-mile fitness trail, a basketball court, and a fitness area. But it was too hot, so we did a drive-by. This park was opened in 2007 and was named after Les Miller Jr. He was a county commissioner for Tampa, and he served in the Florida House of Representatives from 1992 to 2000. This is such a beautiful and well-done park to have a get-together with the family and have fun. This ice cream truck was there for hours. Too bad it was so hot that day. I wish we could have explored more of this park on foot. If you're looking for a place for your kids to find adventure or just to learn how to skate, this is definitely the place. I'm glad we had the opportunity to explore this fun park. Well, I hope you enjoyed exploring with us today and hope to see you on our next destination.